Let's look at 4 things that rich people do to make money that poor people don't. Number 4, have multiple streams of income. While there are certainly many things that rich people do to make money that poor people don't, having multiple streams of income is one of the most important. By diversifying their sources of income, rich people ensure that they always have money coming in, even if one stream dries up. This financial security allows them to take risks and invest in new ventures, safe in the knowledge that they have a safety net to fall back on. In contrast, poor people often have just one source of income, which makes them much more vulnerable to financial shocks. As a result, they are often stuck in a cycle of poverty from which it is difficult to escape. Number 3, save, save, save. Anyone who has ever tried to save money knows that it is not always easy. In fact, for some people, it can feel downright impossible. This is especially true if you're not making a lot of money to begin with. It can seem like there's nothing left to save after you've paid off your bills and taken care of your basic needs. However, this is one of the biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to building wealth. One of the things that rich people do to build their wealth is to save as much money as possible. They are always looking for ways to reduce their expenses and increase their savings. While it may seem like a daunting task, there are many small changes that you can make in your own life that will add up over time. So start making some changes today and watch your savings grow. Number 2, diversified investments. Poor people typically don't have diversified investments because, well, they're poor. They don't have the money to invest in multiple different types of assets, so they tend to put all their eggs in one basket. This can lead to ruin if that one basket happens to break. Rich people, on the other hand, can afford to spread their money around a bit more. They might invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, and collectibles, for example. This diversification protects them from taking too big of a hit if any one particular investment fails. So if you want to get rich, start by investing in a few different baskets. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, focusing on making money instead of looking rich. Anyone who has ever watched an episode of Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous knows that many people are often obsessed with appearances. They want to be seen as successful, sophisticated, and in control. Where your focus is can have a major impact on your ability to build wealth. When rich people focus on making money, they are more likely to invest in businesses and opportunities that will generate a return. Poor people who focus on looking rich, on the other hand, are more likely to waste their money on unnecessary things. As a result, it's clear that those who want to build wealth need to focus on making money instead of trying to look like they already have it. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.